Some breaking news that's coming in right now. All four accused in the Hyderabad rape incident have been killed in a police encounter at the NH44. This is the latest information that's coming in right now. This is big breaking news that's coming in this morning. All four accused in the Hyderabad rape incident have been killed in a police encounter on the NH44. My colleague Pooja Shali is now joining me on the phone line from Hyderabad. Pooja, give us more details.
This is the news that has just come. And remember, this was while a speedy trial was just about to begin there in Mehboob Nagar. Now, this is a shocking news because remember, the four accused were in the custody of the police. This was after they had also got 14 days judicial custody. Follow me, details are still sketchy and are awaited, but the confirmation seems to have come directly from the ADG Law and Order that the four men who had been taken into the custody, who had been nabbed under 376 gang rape, 302 murder and 201 destruction of evidence have been killed in an encounter. So what exactly happened? Were they being taken somewhere? What sort of an encounter is this? There will be some questions also that are likely to be raised. We are waiting for perhaps an official on-record comment on camera. A press briefing is also expected. But for now, this is the news that has come as a confirmation as well. Follow me.
Right. This is extremely shocking because, Pooja, like you were saying, they were in judicial custody. The minute they were arrested immediately after the incident. After the Telangana police investigated the case, they were immediately picked up from nearby villages and taken into custody and sent into judicial custody. 14 days judicial custody by the Mehboob Nagar court. In custody for an encounter to take place, the police will have a lot of questions to answer for.
Well, clearly, questions will be raised about what exactly happened, what is the reason, and why was this specific step taken. Now, remember, the Chief Minister has not really given any strong statement. The Chief Minister was also being criticized for not expressing solidarity over the law and order issues. And with this confirmation coming in now, there are, of course, a lot of questions to be raised. However, this is just an initial confirmation that has come, and we will want to wait for further details as well. But yes, four accused for now, four men arrested in the rape and murder of the doctor in Hyderabad who was dragged at the Shamshabad Thondupalli toll bridge. Follow me, the details have come that the four accused have been killed in an encounter.
Right, okay, this is extremely shocking. Krishna Sagar Rao of the BJP is on the phone line with us right now. Pooja, stay on with us. Mr. Rao, how do you react to this news that's coming in of the four accused in the horrific Hyderabad rape and murder case who were just sent into police custody from judicial custody, 10 days police custody, have now been killed in an encounter. They've died in an encounter on the NH44.
Yeah, these are initial reports which are coming through media. The police hasn't so far made any official statement, and it seems like there is this incident which has happened in the morning while they were reconstructing the scene of offense. But still, this is not official statement by police. So, as a national party and as a responsible opposition party in Telangana state, we will refrain from making any statements at this point of time till we get official statement of what has actually happened there when the DGP of police were to release a statement.
Right, but obviously, there was a lot of outrage. There was a lot of, calls for speedy justice in this case as well. Like you say, the police will have a lot to answer for, sir. We do realize that there was a lot of pressure on them. Some had even pointed towards dereliction of duty by the cops in this particular case in registering the first FIR when the girl was reported missing by her family. The cops will have a lot to answer for.
See, we are a secular sovereign republic, and we are not a banana republic. Certainly, there is a legal infrastructure, judicial infrastructure and a constitution. So we have to wait and see as to what actually has happened, and whatever questions will be raised by people or parties or the judiciary or the legal infrastructure. The responsibility and the onus will be on the Telangana police and the state government of Telangana and CM KCR. So we'll wait and see as to what the police has to say about this incident which has happened this morning.
Absolutely. Mr. Rao, thank you so much for speaking to India Today this morning. So this very big breaking news that's coming in from Hyderabad as we speak right now. The police had taken the 4 accused in the horrific Hyderabad rape and murder case to the scene of crime. They wanted to recreate the scene of crime. Remember, the 4 accused were in police custody. They just recently been sent into police custody, 10-day police custody. Now, the police obviously were up against time because they had to file a charge sheet in the case. A fast-track court had just been set up in order to start the trial in this matter, and hence they needed to gather corroborative evidence and, of course, the statements of the accused themselves. Now, we're still waiting for more details to emerge as to what exactly happened at the scene of crime when the cops were taking these 4 accused to that spot. But what we're learning right now is that all 4 accused have been killed in an encounter on the NH44. My colleague Pooja Shali is still on the phone line with me right now. Pooja, any more details that you've managed to gather?
All right, so some more details have come, Paulomi, but remember, we will also wait for an official press conference of further details. However, for now, the details that are coming in is that all these 4 men, after they were given police custody just about few hours ago, and they were then taken to the crime spot. Now, why that is done, that's a procedure. You take them for a recreation to really understand what had happened. The incident had started from the Shamshabad toll plaza. And that is when, according to sources in the police, they allegedly tried to escape, and that is when the police had to fire. So these are the information that is coming in. The question, of course, will be raised that this was already a high-profile case. Was there not enough precautions, security taken? This was already a very sensitive case, and while the men had been caught within time, within a day since the news had broken, what led the police of Telangana to take this step? What was the police security at that point? Where did this exactly happen? We are being told this has taken place on the highway, and with this 4 accused killed in an encounter, it is extremely big, extremely serious, and this is even before the speedy trial could have begun. So what exactly is the defense of the Telangana police on that? Why did they have to take this step? Remember, there was already a lot of pressure on the state government. It had created a lot of outrage. A lot of questions were raised to the police as well. But with this news coming in, that all the 4 men have now been killed, have now been shot dead in an encounter because they tried to escape while they were taken to the crime spot is big news. Follow me.
Right, Pooja, that is definitely some very crucial information that you're bringing to our viewers at the moment. What Pooja is saying is that at the scene of crime where the accused were taken in order to recreate the scene, because the police obviously was trying to gather more evidence on the basis of the statements of the accused as well. So they were trying to recreate the scene of crime. At this point, the 4 accused who were in police custody tried to escape, as a result of which the police had to open fire and the 4 accused were killed in the encounter that took place